Hey everybody, thank you so much for joining me today. When we were in New Orleans for the Eras Tour, we had to stop at Cafe Du Monde. This famous location in the French Quarter serves the best beignets and cafe au lait. So check it out, see what we ordered, and then stay tuned to the end. I ordered some Taylor Swift Cafe Du Monde merch, so we'll unbox it together. All right, let's crack into my merch that I ordered from Cafe Du Monde. It's got a lot of packaging, so let's see. Here it is. Oh my gosh, it's even better than I imagined. Check out this Cafe Du Monde Taylor Swift tumbler. I love it so much. There's all the eras on here. We have the Tortured Poets, some friendship bracelets. Oh my gosh, and they nailed all of the costumes from the show, and my favorite, in my beignet era. So I am so happy I ordered this. I actually pre-ordered this before we even went to New Orleans. I saw it online. So I can just reminisce about that weekend every morning while I drink out of my tumbler. And here is one more look. All the beignets in the different eras. Look at that. Oh, so good. So thank you to Cafe Du Monde for making these. This is the best memento. I love it so much. And that's it. As always, thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe.